Easy cake recipe in 5 minutes. In a large bowl, mix the eggs until they start to foam. Gradually add the sugar, continuing to mix. Add the vanilla sugar and mix until you have a light, fluffy, and creamy consistency. Add the flour, baking powder, and incorporate them with a spatula using gentle movements. In a separate bowl, mix the red currant with the flour and add them to the batter. Grease the baking tray with oil and sprinkle with flour. And pour the batter into it. Bake the cake at 180 Celsius degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. That's it. Super easy, simple, and very delicious. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next video.